Let's see.
If I looked up the word reasoning in the dictionary, a picture on the reason, okay? Having said that, if I looked up the word foolish, the picture would also be there.
Oh, you can figure this out. Get out of the way. Oop. Get out of the way. Hold on. Nope, nothing in there. Play with your toy. Stop sniffing for food. Eat.
You know what I want to do, Maya?
Good boy. Very good.
Fish all right.
Careful.
Put the finishing touches on the
He has a bone over here that he slammed against the table.
and enjoy this beautiful home I created.
You're not going to get anything with chewing it. Good boy.
That's what I want to do. Blue
Good boy.
from Raymore Flanagan.
Oh, you're so smart.
That's why
Where'd he go? You are so smart.
On the next TMZ Live, interesting 911 call. Big rock star threatened to assassinate Obama and his wife. Drop the dime on it. Coming up next on Fox 5.
What do you think, Si? Should I put your dinner in it? Think I should put your dinner in there? Good boy.
You'll play light at 90 calories. Smooth food now gluten-free. Like Lawson's Biscuit Block. You don't need to know but you do need organization. Otherwise, it's an avalanche. Introducing stackable containers from Ziploc. Because life needs Ziploc. That's the job.
Oh. Is there any? Yeah, there's one in there. You can get it. There's one left in there. You can do it. You can do it.
I see that landlords have more advantage of tenants because they
You
want
got it? Good boy.
to don't have anything to win if they win. I presume
Oh no, I still hear it rattling in there.
so they started paying rent from July. And you also received some
Go.
days in October where they paid the 4 months of the rent, right?
In conversations with him, I was willing to do that. Absolutely refused to pay anything.
No, you want, if I looked up the word
It's still in there.
in the dictionary, your picture, okay?
Good boy.
If I looked up the